Exercise 4.4. By the principle of mathematical induction, prove that for n greater than or equal to 1, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. Here for the mathematical induction, we have 5 steps for this. Okay, the first step is, let us consider this given problem as P of n. So P of n equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus n cube equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 the whole square. The first step, we have to take n equal to 1. Wherever we have n, we have to substitute 1 here. So here we have n. So I want to substitute n instead of this n, I have to substitute 1. So 1 cube equal to 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Here 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2. So we can cancel these 2's, so that we have 1 square. That 1 square is nothing but 1. So 1 square, here we have 1 equal to 1. Therefore P of 1 is true. Second step, let us assume that P of k is true. That means in the place of n, we have to put k here. Therefore, that given equation becomes 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube. Instead of n, we have to substitute k here because it is P of k. So k cube equal to k into k plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. This is P of k. And then if P of k is true, we have to prove P of k plus 1 is also true. If P of k is true, we have to prove P of k plus 1 is also true. For this, in the place of k, I want to substitute k plus 1. In the place of, for P of k, we substituted instead of n, k. Here we want to substitute instead of k as k plus 1. Okay, now let me have P of k plus 1 equal to, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. plus k cube, plus in the place of k we have to substitute k plus 1 the whole square. Before this k plus 1 we have the term k, okay, which is equal to, on the right hand side in the place of k we have to substitute k plus 1, isn't it? So on the right side we have to substitute here in k plus 1, for this k I want to substitute k plus 1. For this k, k plus 1 plus 1, that is k plus 2. So in this bracket we have k plus 2 divided by 2 here. Okay, so the answer for the right hand side is k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2 the whole square. So I want to take the left hand side and I want to get the answer as the right hand side. So take the left hand side first here. That is nothing but 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus etc. k cube plus k plus 1 the whole cube equal to, here from this 1 cube plus k cube I have the answer, the given problem, k into k plus 1 by 2 the whole square plus this k plus 1 the whole cube. Keep this as it is here. Okay, and then I want to square the first term. If you square these things, so we can have k square into k plus 1 the whole square divided by 4 plus this k plus 1 the whole cube as it is we have to keep here. And then I want to take the common factors k plus 1 the whole square at the numerator. So k plus 1 the whole square is here. So already we took this as common factors. So k square only in the first term divided by 4 plus here already 2 terms we took as common factor, so remaining 1 is here, that k plus 1 term is here. So I can have in this bracket we have k square by 4 plus k plus 1. We want to take the LCM inside the bracket here. So k square plus 4k plus 4 divided by 4 here. So this 4k, we can write this as 2 into 2k. So it is in the form of k plus 2 the whole square. So we can write this as k plus 2 the whole square. Keep the other terms as it is here. So I can write this thing as k plus 1 into k plus 2 divided by 2 the whole square as the right hand side answer. Therefore, we can say P of k plus 1 is true here. By the principle of mathematical induction, P of n is true for all values of n, because for n is for 1 it is true, and then for k it is true, and then we proved for P of k plus 1 is also true. Therefore, from this we can conclude by the mathematical induction P of n is true for all values of